Hello loves, welcome to Unique Makes by Christina. Today I have a Shein haul to share with you. It's been a while since I ordered from Shein, but I went ahead and put an order, and actually it didn't take long to get here, so I'm excited. So let's go ahead and see what I got. I got a lot of Christmas in this haul. So the first thing I want to share with you is some Christmas bingo cards that I found on Shein. And I want to say Leanna from It's a Deal ordered some, so there's where I got my little impulse to order Shein. But yeah, she hauled some bingo cards, I believe. Oh, she ordered some bingo cards. So I went ahead and went on Shein to see if I could find some, and I was able to. Let's go ahead and look at this. And these weren't that expensive. It was probably like $4 to $5, I think. But it does come with how to play and the ways that you can win. But yeah, this one comes with, I wanted to say it was 24, but it comes with different styles. So you got the one like this one. Look at that. How cool are those? And then they got these ones here. And the card's not that bad. You got that one. And this one also comes with the blue design. Look at that. That. And then you got like a pinkish one. You got the orange color one. That's actually pretty cool. Look at that. Yeah, that one. That would be good for if you're not gonna use it to play. I'm planning for Crafty. These are actually pretty nice, and they're not flimsy. But you can always make pockets, gift them. They also come with some like to cover some like little chips, and then you do get. Oh, so these are the calling cards. Look at that. How cool is that? Actually, you can make an advent calendar with that. So I got this. The first thing I have. Then of course, I think I got the same one. No, this one's got different. So this is from another company. Not another company, but they have other colors in there. So yeah, so I got two of those. And when I noticed that since it's going to be Christmas season, those were cheap. I actually saw some Thanksgiving, well not Thanksgiving, but Halloween, and they wanted $20 for it. So I'm like, no thank you. So this is another one set that I bought. This one is, I got this because of the pink. And this one also comes with your little chips, which is a deer. And it comes with your calling cards, so you can call. And I got this one, of course, because of the pink. And you get two different colors. So you get the pink, and then you get the blue. Look at that. So I thought those were really cute. So I got that one. Okay, another thing I hauled is the Mean Girls, and I believe these were stickers. But let's look at this. Yeah, these are actually stickers. I found these. I thought these were really cool. So this one, if you know the movie The Mean Girls, that's where the stickers come from. You Can't Sit With Us. Look at that. On Wednesdays we wear pink. Let's So Fetch. The Burn Book. Mean Girls. Glenn. And then you got some hearts in there too. Get In Loser. We're Going Shopping. I'm a Cool Mom. So let me know if you've seen this movie before. I actually like it. Well, I like part one, the original. Good. And there's a lot of little hearts in here. Some lips. It's actually a pretty nice one. Plastics. Get in, loser. We're going shopping. I want my pink skirt back. Some more hearts. I mean, that's just like the rules of feminism. Don't let the haters stop you from doing your thing. Is butter a carb? So yeah, if you've seen the movie, you understand what these all mean. So you agree, you think you really pretty? Some lips. That's so fetch. Some more lips. So yeah, it's the burn book stuff. There's a lot of those stickers in there, so I got that. Another one that I hauled is this set of stickers. And this one is Beetlejuice. So we'll look at this one. This one, you got some skulls. And then, of course, you got the beetle on the chair. That's pretty cool. And you got when they were trying to scare the family. It's showtime. You got the sandworm. Another sandworm. Oh, he's my favorite. He's my favorite. And then you got the ghosties. More skulls. The husband when they're trying to scare. Look at that one. Love this. And then you got those. So yeah, these are actually pretty nice. Beater guys. Here, like this, the coffin. Yeah. So you got all kinds of stickers here. Look at that. Real nice. I love it. Love it. So I got those. Another thing I hauled was this red and white twine for Christmas. I got that one. I have a lot of them for like Halloween and stuff, but nothing for I didn't have a red and white. Okay, next thing that I have is some peppermint beads, and these are the green ones. So look at these. And this, I believe you get 50. Yeah. You get 50 of these. And if you look, they do have the hole. And let me see if this fits on a beadable. And a pokey tool. It does fit 22 mm, so this is 22, so this would fit on a beadable pin. Get that. Next thing I hold are these stickers, which I thought they would be really cute. Let me go ahead and open this. And this one is pretty cute. So they are tags. Look at that. The elf tag. You got the North Pole. Just for you. You have this one here, which is a Santa Claus. And then you have that little elfie. And then you have this one here. And then it restarts over. And I believe you get 200. So these are stickers. I thought these were pretty nice to have for crafty and even for packages. So I have that. Another thing I hauled was a strawberry shortcake. Washi tape. And I do like some of the stuff does come in a little package. I do like that. That could be reused. And this one, look at this one. You have the strawberry shortcake. You got a big wide one, and then you got 3 of the smaller ones. How cute is that? And you get a decent amount. So this was real nice. I love that. So that's all for your little cute DIYs. That one. Another thing I hauled were these wood Christmas trees. And it does come with your twine. You could use it as an ornament or for tags. And then I have I think I'm gonna I got DIY in mind for these. Let's see. Yeah, so you got that. And they're actually pretty nice quality. Yeah, thin one. So it's almost like the Dollar Tree ones. So these are not that bad. And they had different shapes, but I wanted to check these out to see how the quality was, and it's actually pretty decent. So I got those. And then I did haul some, they're a mixture, so they're like beads and like they're mixtures of, I say they're mostly beads, but there are some that are flat, just flat bags. But it does come, I got the purple and black and clear. Look at that. So this one you do get the rose, which does have a flat, bottom, so you could glue it, and it does have a hole. Let me see if they fit on the pokey. This one does not, but you can always use it as a topper actually. But it does not fit a pokey tool. But I didn't get it for that. I got it for crafting. So you do got some. See, like this one is not. See, like this. See, like this one isn't a bead. It's just a gem. Okay, but you do have other stuff in here. You do got flowers, which just have a hole. And then you do have a butterfly. It's more of a, it does have a little, like a pendant, so you can use it for a pendant. And it comes with some bows. So it's a mixture of stuff. So I got that for the mix. And they had other colors on there, but I went ahead and got the purple black just to try it out. I got those ones. And then I also got them in black, white, and clear. I use these for like gothic crafty and for like DIY pens and stuff, which I'm going to do a tutorial on how to do DIY beads and stuff like that. I got that one. And for doing like the homemade DIY fancy stuff, you do need like little stuff like that also for that. Another thing I hauled, and I think this is my favorite out of the whole stuff that I ordered, but wait till you see this. So this does come with, it comes with these cards that says Santa's Magic Key with a sprinkle of magic and a dash of holiday cheer. This key only works one special day of the year, on Christmas Eve. Hang it just outside your door. Go to bed and worry no more, and I will know just what it's for. Love, Santa Claus. I thought that was adorable. So let me show you. So you get the card to hang, which is on your door. And then check these out. You get your keys. How awesome is that? And these keys are actually, they don't feel cheap. They actually got a little weight to it. So I thought this was a real cute thing. And you do get your ribbon so you can hang it on your door. So I love it, love it, love it. So all you do is hang your key to the door, but I'm using it for crafting. So I thought this was this was my favorite thing right there. So I got those. And then the next thing I hauled is some stickers. And this one is North Pole special delivery for. So I got these for like when I send out packages and whatnot. So you get some stickers there. Love, love, love. And then the last thing I hauled were these candy flat bats. And those are those. They do get the pink ones. I got these for Christmas. You can use it for Valentine. You can use it for any holiday. That's candy. But I got those. And yeah, that is my little Shein haul for you guys. Let me know what is your favorite. My favorite is the magic keys. I think I'm going to have to order some more. Because just like Temu, once they're out, sometimes they don't come back. So I'll probably get some more of those. I do like the bingo card. I love the whole haul. But yeah, make sure you subscribe if you haven't, because I sure would love to have you in the family. Hit the notification so you know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.